Hi, in this brief video, I'm going to show you how to export rubrics you've created in one course and import them into another course. In my example, I had a course in which we created our rubrics after the course actually started. So I'm going to go into my coaching course here, cohort 12. And to access rubrics, rubrics are under Course Tools. Click on Course Tools, scroll down to Rubrics, and here you'll see the rubrics that we are using in this course. To export these rubrics, I can just check all of them, and then you'll notice the Export button. I just click Export, and again, it just gives me a list of what I'm exporting, and I want to save by default, export it to my local computer. And you'll notice at the top I have an option I need to download. I need to download these to my local computer. And so you'll see that it popped up in my window. I'm using the Chrome browser, and if I go to the folder, it actually is in my folder of downloads for today. I need to remember where that is so that I can import it. So now that I've exported these from cohort 12, I don't have them in cohort 10, which is where I need to put them. So I'm going to go to cohort 10. Again, I'm going to go down to rubrics. You'll see I have a couple of rubrics here already. This may end up duplicating them, but I can delete the ones I don't need. I'm going to import rubrics. I'm going to browse to local files, and here is the rubric or the collection of rubrics that I just exported. These were in my downloads. I'm going to open that and submit. And you'll see just results. I usually just OK right past this. And so you'll see what I did was I accidentally imported this rubric twice. So I'm going to take this one and this one. This is a duplicate as well, and I'm going to delete these. Now this is the first step to actually use these rubrics. And now that I'm done here, I can actually close this window out. I'm going to go back over to my class sessions because this rubric 2.02 I need to use in one of my assignments. So I'm going into 2. I'm going into the assignment Dropbox. This is where it's actually going to be located. I'm going to use the down arrow beside it, and I'm going to edit this assignment. And you'll notice that the window comes up that you use when you're actually creating an assignment. As you scroll down, you'll see you've got your points possible, and underneath it, you'll see you can associate a rubric to this assignment. To add a rubric, I can just select the rubric that I've imported. I can grab 2.02 because I know this rubric goes with this particular assignment, and submit it. And I typically will change the settings. Over here it says show rubric to students. I say yes with rubric scores so that they can see their scores in their assignment, and submit. That's it. That's how you can export a rubric from one course into another course. Just be sure that you add it to the assignment that you need to add it to. It won't automatically add it to the assignments. If you're interested in learning more about rubrics, check out my video on creating rubrics.